Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to use a default template as certificate in the Google Forms. First of all, I am going to open one of the Google form that I have created. Then, as you see in the last video, how to enable the certify'em add-on. In this video, I am going to continue with the other processes. Click on the three dots. Click on add-ons below the add collaborates tab. Then click on certify'em. Then click on certify'em controls. Now, in the status bar we see that the certification is on. If it is turned off, then click on turn on. In the records, it is shown that certificate records, and we can select the passing percentage so that only those who score above this percentage will get the certificate automatically. Now I am going to keep it 50% itself. Then click on the template option. Here we have the options to select any one of the default template. Before that, you can preview all so that you can select any one of your desired wish. There are so many templates here. Now I am going to select the red ribbon, which I have already selected. In the next video, we can see that how we can select a custom template as certificate for the Google form. So here we have seen how to use a default template which is given in the Google form itself. Now here we have one more option, that is advanced option. Click on advanced, then close this option. Wait till you download. Here it's shown the message which shown upon the submission. Thank you for your submission. If you have passed, you will receive a printable certificate shortly. I am not going to change it anyway. Now here it is name of the sender. If you can select your email ID, then I am going to type the subject of email. Here you have to look for that certificate of. I am going to give a title, so that the title of this Google form is GK Quiz 2020. So it will automatically placed here. So after two braces, you should type title and close with two other braces. This is the format for enabling a title. Then here you have you can see the contents of the body. This body will be appeared along with the certificate and mailed to the winners. Now this is body, congrats, full name. You also see the format after the two braces, the full name, and then close to it. Here the name of the participant will appear here. Then thank you for participating in the GK Quiz 2020. Your certificate is attached to this email for you to download and print with warm words and my name. If you want to get a certificate, you can type here BCC, and here also we can subject. For those who have attempted and failed, they will also get a message the thank you for taking part in the title. Email content, sorry you didn't pass in the title conducted on, and as you wish you can fill out the contents. Then you can select here the option send as PDF or whatever image or whatever it may be. I am going to select as PDF so that anyone can open it. Then click on save changes. Now let us have a preview of our quiz. Now how this works out. Click on preview. Now I am going to enter the email address, then the name as my wish. I am going to enter my name and address, and then click on next. Then simply I am going to answer something like this. Okay, who is known as Nejadi, is simply going to answer it. and identify this personality. This is a sample Google form. You can create a Google form of your choice. Which country has launched Nepal? And I'm going to some comments like super or not. Super. Then click on submit. Now let's view the score. I have only got 8 out of 10, but don't worry, you will get the certificate in your mail. Now let's check if I have got the certificate or not. Then I am going back to my mail. Now let's check if I have got a certificate or not. Wait till it takes some little time, but you should not worry. We will get a certificate. Okay, I have got it's shown here that I got a certificate or not. Wait till it takes some little time, but you should not worry. We will get a certificate. Okay, I have got it's shown here that because I am self the sender certificate of GKQs. Let us check out. I'm going to open certificate of. This is the format I have shown you, that full name, that is congrats Adin Bijo Taragan, the name I have given in the form, thank you for and so on. Then I have got the certificate as in the PDF form. I'm going to download it and open. Now let's check out. Okay, this certificate declares that Adin Bijo Taragan and the address has completed GKQs 2020 on the date with a passing score of 80%. I think you all have understood how to use a default template and prepare a Google form and send certificate automatically to your participants. Thank you all for listening. I hope you have all enjoyed my video. Please like, share and subscribe. And in the next video I will be showing you how to use a custom template or template made by you as a certificate for your Google Forms. So don't forget to watch my next video. Thank you. Don't forget.